2018, our journey started with the launch of Nano 1. But this journey wasn't intended to stop with just one product. It was the start of something much bigger. In today's fast-paced, high-tech world, it's often the smallest components that drive innovation forward. To support the development and enhancement of cutting-edge technologies, there's a need for a service capable of producing high-quality microparts in mass quantities. At UpNano, we've risen to this challenge with NanoPro, our advanced industrial micropart production service. We can produce centimeter-sized parts with extremely complex structures and micro-details, as well as microparts that are invisible to the human eye. NanoPro unlocks new opportunities for mass production, delivering industrial microparts at a speed, quality, and volume that is unmatched in the current market. We also provide expert assistance in optimizing your microparts. With our skilled technical team and state-of-the-art equipment, we guide you through every step of the manufacturing process. From the initial briefing about your unique product requirements, to producing test batches with our prototyping machine, the Nano 1, to evaluation, iterations, and finally, the last step, serial production of your part. Whether you need to produce thousands or millions of parts, our industry-leading solution ensures a maximum of quality and efficiency. NanoPro by UpNano.